Hello, friends. Today I want to share a case about a young girl that came into our practice. She was really bothered because she has a lot of staining on her teeth and she doesn't know what to do about it. She's gone to dentist, she's had cleanings, she uses an electric toothbrush, she does everything she can at home. She's really, really, really young, beautiful girl, wants to feel good about herself, majored in psychology. So really understands how important presentation is and how important teeth are. So I'm going to share with you what we, did in her mouth and how she looks. So let's go ahead and start here. This is what she came in with. This is, her concern was really, hey, Dr. Patel, I have this black lining around my teeth and I don't know why. I have gone to dentist, I promise. I have done cleanings, but I don't understand why I have these bugs. And then when we got around to looking at her, it turns out that she has certain species of bacteria that actually pick up more stains, and they're more likely to do that because her teeth are porous and it's a type of saliva she has. So we really wanted to make sure that we took care of her in the proper way. And here you can see the results of our cleaning with her. With all the stains are gone, the gums are much healthier. And really what we've done here is not only remove the bacteria, but what we've done is actually placed a layer of hydroxy nanoapatite on the teeth. So all those porosities that she's had, we actually seal them. When we seal them, what that does, it helps the teeth stay cleaner longer so she doesn't revert back to this. Also, we gave her some recommendations with saliva, how to make sure it's not so acidic, so it doesn't cause pitting. So those are the things that we've looked at with Arena, and she is just delighted. And here she goes here. Hey, Dr. Patel, it's been amazing to remove one of my toughest black stains, super gentle. I feel totally safe, taken care of. And the results of night and day one. I mean, this is just so great to see. Zero stains. She's never felt like she's been treated really well, and the efficiency and the total care is the best treatment she's ever had. Now, who wouldn't mind going from this to this in a couple of hours, right? Isn't that amazing? And that's the type of work we're able to do for our patients here. Really give them confidence in health, confidence in themselves, and really making sure that we're closing that loop, not just a drill and fill, but really do it once, doing it right, and then maintaining it for the rest of the life. And that's really our ultimate goal for you. Get amazing care, just like that, and just feel really good. And that's what we want for you.